Hello, ça va? Well, in this video, we are going to talk about means of transport in French. I guess you are ready. Let's get started.
The French Master GH, the French Master GH, the French Master GH, the French Master GH.
TheFrenchMasterGH.com.
Learn French the easy way.
So, when talking about transport in French, there are three prepositions you need to keep in mind always. The first one is a, the second one is un, and the third one is par. A, un, par. Good. So we'll get back to that later. For now, let's learn the normal vocabulary. Bicycle in French is bicyclette. Bicycle in French is bicyclette or vélo. Okay, la bicyclette or le vélo. We have taxi, which is le taxi. We have a bus, le bus. We have the train, le train. We also have the car, la voiture. La voiture. The plane is l'avion, right? But what about by foot? By foot, feet is les pieds, so le pied. Okay? À cheval, cheval is a horse. Okay? You know, sometimes we travel by horse as well. So by horse is à cheval. When talking about means of transport that involved physical movement, like walking by foot, riding a bicycle, okay, swimming, or riding a horse, and those things, you use à. Example, je vais à l'école à pied. Je vais à l'école à pied. I go to school by foot. Right? Okay, another example is je vais à l'église à vélo. Je vais à l'église à vélo. I go to church on a bicycle. Je suis allé à Kumasi à la nage. Je suis allé à Kumasi à la nage. So I went to Kumasi by swimming. So you see, when it involves physical movement and something that you are on, you are not in it, you use a. Okay. About en. When you are in it, like je vais à l'école en train. En train. In a train. En train. Okay. J'ai voyagé à Paris en avion. So I went to Paris. I traveled to Paris by plane. Okay. If it's a car, en voiture, en bus, en taxi, en Mahama Kando, si tu veux, en tricycle, hein? Okay, en tricycle. Yes, basically anything that is you are in, you use en. The ones that involves physical movement and you are on them, it's a. Okay? So I urge you to make a lot of sentences, at least 10 of them, involving means of transport in French, and then using these two prepositions correctly. Merci beaucoup. See you in the next lesson.